This is a really cool magnetic thing. Another WTF, I guess. What it is this is just a regular cabinet latch magnets. N52s, real strong. This is an array of. I can show you what the array looks like. Let's see. It looks like that. Looks like that. Let's see if I can. Hang on. Oh, why do I get reflections? There it is. Oh, because I'm aiming at the light. There. Okay, so there's what the array looks like. It's a ring magnet and a small group of other magnets around the outside. You're gonna love this this magnetic viewing film. But here's the neat thing. So you take this guy, who's pretty indestructible, and you get this magnet here, and watch the magic. There it is. Tractor beam. You can rotate the big one all you want, and the small one can push it. No, it won't. It just doesn't quite have enough force. But look at that. Just never the twain shall meet. Until then. Bye.